So imagine jamani, sasa hizi nafanya nini? Hii ni kuosha maji wazungu kwa sababu wanapenda kutuchimbia. So this is my money. So I think I have just to return it away. I have to return it and that is it. So guys, thank you so much. This is Abia Boji. Thanks for always watching my video, and for the new subscribers, welcome. And yeah, thank you. Today's video is I'm going to show you about these items. I bought this one is a baby bath tub for my baby, but I feel it's not as what I expected. And I also bought this one. It's a laundry machine for just for small napkins for my baby, socks, and some clothes for my baby. As you can see, they're small clothes, so you can just put like 3 or 4 inside. But still I got disappointed with this. So with this one, actually, as you can see, you cannot compare with this one, because this one really looks really big and it's nice. And this one, I think whenever you put the baby inside here, the baby just slides in. And also these stands, they keep on moving, and I'm scared that my baby can fall. So I always do that without these stands. And also, you see this thing, I thought this one was a waterproof stuff, but it's, when you look at the photo in Amazon, you can see that it's like a waterproof, but it's not waterproof. It's a cotton. So when you wash your baby and the baby is here, actually the water does not, like, it goes inside. So you need to dry it in a dryer for it to be dry. If you leave it like this, tomorrow again the house will be smelling, because this one will leave it wet. It will be wet, so it's not waterproof. I thought it's like a paper, like a waterproof one, but it's not. It's like a diaper. So when you put water inside, it becomes soaky and yeah, very soaky, and it does not dry. You have to put in a dryer machine for it to dry. If you leave it like that, the next day gonna be very, very, very smelling all the time. So I don't like it, so I have to return it. This is my money. So it's a disappointing thing. I like about this one, because this one is for the temperature. You just put here and you put your water. If the water is inside, it senses this one and it tells you the temperature of the baby before you start the shower, which is really good. That is what I like about it. But the other stuff, it doesn't. We can't compare this one actually with this, because this one is really good. You can see inside it has actually it has a plastic. This is a plastic one, so it can't smell. So you put the baby in here, baby's butt is here, baby's head is here, and you just do your washing, and you just put your essentials here, with soap or napkin or something. So it's a nice one, and I like it. So if you want to drain water, we have a pipe here to drain some water, so it's good. It also has a changing table, as you can see. So I think that was really good. So this machine, woo, this one is something else. I thought it's something that will run and wash my clothes very well, but heaven said, this one, no. I tried to look some of the reviews. Some of them has been taking this one out and put some clothes inside for it to run, but it doesn't. But when you put some water inside and you start running the machine, it has some counting here. We have 3 minutes, 10 minutes, 5 minutes. So I was like, let me put 10 minutes, because maybe it will wash it very well, but still it's not giving. It's just something else. So it has a pipe for drainage water here. I'm gonna just show you how it behaves for a sec. I'll just put some water inside here. I'll just try. And I make sure this stuff is closed here. I have to close it here. Yeah. Oh. Okay. I think it's, yeah, I think it's closed. So when it's closed like that, so I just take my laundry detergents, if it's like soap and anything, I put inside. I'm just testing because I already used this one and I got it very disappointed, so I don't want to try again. So I'm just trying to make you guys understand. So we have this one. I just put some cloths inside here. These are just my napkin and all that. Then I'll put some water inside here. So I tried all the means because I was like, did I put more water inside? Was it a lot, or did I put a lot of cloths inside? So I'm just trying to test with small cloths and see if it can run or not run. So we have that one, and I have the socket is here. I have this one is just you have to insert at the power charger. I don't know, it's here, just down here. It's down here. You put here, then there you go. You see now inside the way it is, it's kind of good. Then you come here where there is, I say like 10 minutes or 5 minutes. So I just put like I wrong place this one, and I put like 10 minutes. Now, this is how it will go. I put some soap inside and everything inside. So, if you watch like 10 minutes, by the end of the day, the clothes are not yet okay. So I tried with putting another cloth and putting inside here and do that, but see how it's behaving? I don't like it. So I saw one of the reviews. One person from the review tried to, let me just take this one off here. Try to take this off and this one off. I saw some people doing that, so I wanted to do that and see maybe it might behave. Okay, so I tried to take this one away, and let me put the pearl in there. So I think the pressure increases, but still it does not wash the clothes. So imagine, jamani, sasa hivi nafanya nini? Hii ni kuosha wazungu kwa maana napenda kutuchezea. So this is my money. So I think I have just to return it away. Do that and you go on doing your stuffs down there. Once you're done, you come, you put when it's done washing, you put this pipe in here. So because I don't want to mess with the power, I don't like, and sockets near me, so I have to make sure it's off. So I'll put the pipe in here. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's still draining. So I'll put the power in here. That is how it goes. So the pipe is in here, as you can see. Here's the pipe. The pipe goes in here to the water tap. Here's the pipe. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drain. I'm gonna put the socket in here again and again, so that it can dry it at the same time. Because it's a dryer at the same time it's a washer, but honestly it doesn't do. So you see the water is gone. Now it's kind of drying, but it doesn't dry the clothes. So imagine imeshamaliza 10 minutes, imesha dry na ona zina drip of in kudry imedry. So will I have to be doing this like ushago, like the manual one, nifanye hivi alafu tena nianike hapa hivi juu hivi? Sasa si nyumba itanuka. So the best things ni kurudi tu kwa hiyo laundry yetu ya kawaida. So actually I have to return this one away. And that's it, done. I just return everything that came with it so that I can take it back to Amazon. And I'll write a very bad review because hey, they can't waste my time like this. So I didn't like this anyway. I always buy things in Amazon, but this time I'm really disappointed. So yeah. So I think this is how it came. It was folded like this. I'll put it in this is how it came. It was like this. I guess so. So I want to open it, it's like this. Akiwa Chinese, wanapenda kutuchezea akili. So made in China. Yeah, that is how it came. I'll also show you how I'm going to fold. This one too, because this one also came when it's folded. Alafu kuassemble hizi vitu is not easy. Kuna hii kitu unaweza nini. So kuassemble hii nini si rahisi. So pia ilikuwa this way. I think this one was taken out. This one should be taken out or something. I'm not sure. But yeah, this way. Yep. So this is how it came. So naingiza tu hapo. Natoa hizo. Chinese. Okay, I got it. So these two. So guys, thank you so much for watching the video. My name is Abby Buji. If you like my videos, please put a comment there. Keep on subscribing. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And nimerudi tena fully. Try to comment there. For those who are my fans, forever fans, thank you so much for always watching me, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you so much, and good luck.